Okay, talk about this Jatak. This is a Lagna Kundali, and the Jatak's Lagna is Tula and Rashi is Aries. So Jupiter is in Lagna, so that's why the boy is little fatty. But here Jupiter is little bit bakri, so here Jupiter does not give the positive. I'm not telling the positive and negative as usual. Whatever the Jupiter gives, here the Jupiter will give little different. Okay, so we have to judge very carefully and in the zodiac. Tula is the seventh house, and here is the Jatak. So Jatak's mind constantly based on the partner, because here moon is in seventh house. That's why Jatak constant think about his partner and partnership, what will be the after marriage life, and he's so scared. But there is a problem with the sun. There is an exalted sun which actually helps the partner to rise, but there is a but, that is the seventh house actually is now damaging because of the sun. That's why what happened, that this Jatak has ego problem. Okay, and another thing is what, that here second lord is Mars. The Mars is in sixth house, but in Kalpurush it is 12th house. So here the what happened here, Jatak's words is quite different, or maybe you can say that very bad, if sometimes you can feel. Okay, and here is Rahu means this Rahu actually makes the main problem is what, that here Jataks really talks very nice, very sweet, but sometimes what happens, that when he lie, he sometimes says, and sometimes maybe he says the truth. And most especially, you cannot judge the person by his word. Personally, I know him. You cannot judge this kind of person by their word. Okay, so this is the Rahu is quite, which is not real, something hidden or beyond something. Okay, and back, so you cannot judge here, but there is what happened, that you have to calculate and judge the also second lord here, Mars. I'm not going in nakshatra in details, otherwise video will be long. I will discuss about the nakshatra later, but now I am talking about this just planetary position. Okay, here Mercury we can say debilitated, not debilitated, it's quite combust. And what happened, it is in second house of Kalpurush, but in this chart it is in 8th house. Okay, so Mercury in 8th house, it has some problem, that Mercury is a normal sense of humor. So Jatak sometime what, that Jatak will not understand sometimes what he should do and he should not. So sometime what happens, this kind of mistake he will do. Okay, and there is another characteristic, when Mercury and Ketu together, it actually helps the research field. Remember it, the research word. Okay, so 8th house Ketu and Mercury, it's quite pushes the Jatak for research. Okay, and the code number of this Kundali is 101. I'm telling 101 is the code number.